Hi guys, welcome back to Rev Solution. Now, I've had this car a couple of months, I've only been driving it a couple of days, and already the roof motor has pretty much failed. So in this video, I'm going to show you a really simple way of being able to take the roof down on the BMW Z4 E85. BMW want £400 plus VAT for the roof motor, which isn't an astronomical amount compared to what it could be, but on eBay, I've managed to find one for £119 with warranty as well. So I will be getting that one. There's no two ways about it. I'm not paying £400, but in the meantime, it is midwinter. Although the sun is shining, I think I'm going to give it a go manually, see how I get on. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is showing you in the boot. Now, the manual release to override the actual hydraulic pump is located in the boot. It's on the near side. I believe that's for all the Z4s, not just European or American, but it's all of them. There's a little red pull ring. Now, it is very, very simple. However, I've decided to choose a really nice sunny day just in case this car has got a problem and it all goes horribly, horribly wrong. So let's get into the boot. So once you're at the boot and you've got it open, when you come down nice and low, you'll see a pull ring, and the pull ring is literally located here. You're basically going to be pulling this ring out. As you can see, it's come out of its little like slot, and then you're just going to turn it just like that. Now that will lock it from actually going back in. Obviously, if it goes back in, you're not going to be able to use the roof properly. It is literally as simple as that. Now what we'll do is we'll jump in the car and let's see if we can actually get this roof open without the motor being activated. Once we're back in the car, I'm just going to drop the windows. Right, so that window is dropped. Now, down here, you've obviously got your buttons to open the roof. So if I press and hold this one, we should. Oh, okay. All right, so that's a bit strange. As far as I was aware, that shouldn't happen. Alright, now that we've actually got the roof motor unhooked from the boot, I've pressed the button inside, that's released the catches, and now it should just fold straight back. So holding on to it, there we go. One-handed. I think you might have to do it a bit more evenly, and then to put it back up. It's actually quite difficult with limited use of my right arm, so I'm just going to have to try and do it evenly. There we go. And then once you've got it back over, you can press the button and that will hook up the catches inside, and you can use your convertible roof mechanism. It is pretty straightforward, there's not a lot to it. But initially when I tried it, it didn't actually disengage the roof motor. However, if I go back inside the boot now, and I put that pin back in, now, in theory, I shouldn't be able to move this. Okay, this video has gone completely up the creek. It does work, but yeah. So pulling that pin, that is basically how you fix the
mission failure.
As you can see, the roof is actually really struggling on this car. It's not the easiest of things. The roof motor definitely needs replacing, but it does. It works and it doesn't work. So it's gone back up, going for the release, and off it goes again. It's just one of those things. This roof is slightly temperamental, but it's more the motor than anything. It's all the way down, and there we go. So this video hasn't exactly gone how I wanted it to go, because that pin in the boot doesn't actually seem to be doing anything. Really, really bizarre. But if you do have issues with your BMW Z4 roof, all you need to do is pull that pin out, give it a twist, go back inside the car, press the button to get the roof down. That will unhitch the latches at the top of the roof. That will then allow you to pull that roof all the way back. Once it's down, you can then drive around with it, and then once you need to get it back up, just pull the roof back up over, press the lock button, it will catch those latches, will grab the roof again, and it'll be solid, and the roof will be back up. I have no idea why this one didn't work, but never mind. Thank you for watching Rev Solutions. It wasn't exactly, like I said, what I had planned for this one, but in essence that is how you manually use the roof on a BMW E85 Z4. Please give me a big thumbs up, and until next time, ride safe, drive safe, and I'll see you all soon.